Alright, so today we're gonna do a final assembly of the transmission, and we're gonna try and mount it up to the engine. So at the same time, we're probably gonna do the rear main seal on the back of the engine, just so that way it's already done for when we're ready to do a final assembly. We don't have to worry about that later on. So yeah, just watch as we do the final install. We're probably gonna put like a gasket on this thing too, to keep that gap kind of dust proof, just because there was a bit of a gap that we left, just to make sure that there was enough clearance with the adapter. Alright, here we got the full assembly. So here's the GX460 bell housing on it. Yep. We had to modify it to fit the clutch lines. So a little bit more cutting. And yeah, so here's the adapter. We put the weather seal right there. And that's the rest of it's just regular CD09. So yeah, this is ready now to bolt up to that. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Well, we mounted the transmission to the engine, so we got it all bolted up. So this is how the full assembly will look inside the car. I'm going to take a moment to scan it, and then we will throw it in the car and see how it looks. Watch your heels, Peter.
Stay in here as long as I can. Oh, too much. Oh, thank God over there, fucking piece of metal through my hands and get crushed. Joseph was about to get payback, dude.
For what?
When I crush your hand.
Oh yeah. I forgot about that.
Oh, there, dude.
It's gonna clear the legs. The legs.
I was just gonna rest it there.
The legs gonna clear.
Yeah, we're good. Oh, fuck, there it goes.
I hella forgot about that.
I still remember, dude. I felt so bad, dude.
No, that's okay.
What are you cutting?
The subframe.
Bad.
Alright, so we got this far in here.
Test fit number 1, huh?
Yeah, test fit number 1, but what happened, the issue we ran into is the transmission tunnel brackets that hold the original transmission are stopping us from going further back. So that's why we have this huge gap. So I think next week we'll have to cut it, and then we'll be able to push this more in and hopefully line it up where we want to. As of right now, I don't even think it'll close. Here, we'll see. We'll close the hood and see what happens. Alright, well, this is the hood closed as of now, but obviously it's really far off. There's a huge gap right here, but it's also just not low at all. We're having them resting on the cross member here, piece of wood. Again, that's just as far as we can make it go. With what we're planning, should be as tall as the original intake manifold. So that's why we just put it back on to test fit it. Yeah, I mean, we already knew we were gonna have to cut it, the hood. So we'll see. Yeah, we'll see next week. We'll be able to hopefully sit this actually in its spot and see how much room we have to play with. See what else we have to take off, what else we have to cut. Yeah, next week we'll crawl under there and I'll show you guys the transmission tunnel that we're trying to cut off. And we'll see how it goes.